Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make chocolate chip muffins. They are so easy to make and so moist. They are perfect for breakfast and for a snack in the afternoon. So let's get started. In a big bowl you will add your butter and sugar. Using a hand mixer you cream this for about 1 to 2 minutes until they are nice and fluffy. Now our butter and sugar mixture is ready and we will add our eggs. We will mix this using our hand mixer for about a minute until everything is well combined. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. We will add the milk, salt, baking powder, vanilla, and flour. We'll mix this on high until everything is well combined. Now our cupcake batter is ready and it's time to add our chocolate chips. Using a spatula you will fold the chocolate chips into the mixture and make sure that everything is well incorporated. Now our mixture is ready. The mixture makes 12 muffins, so I would take a 12-case muffin tin and put some paper cases on each hole. Using a scooper or 2 spoons, you can divide the mixture among the paper cases. Our cupcakes are ready to go into the oven. We'll bake these for about 20 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Our cupcakes just came out of the oven and they look absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.